The subject of this video is syncing a Sharepoint library within your OneDrive application for offline use. So let's go to the site, find the library that you want to sync, click on the sync button, reply to the prompts, and click close. Okay, now a relationship has been established between the library and your OneDrive Sync app. Let's click on the OneDrive Sync app. Click on the settings, go into preferences, go over to account, and then there you can see the library. You can choose the folders, you can stop the sync, you can restart the sync. Keep in mind that if you see red dots in your OneDrive sync, that's because OneDrive can't sync. It could be because of deep folder structures or non-alphanumeric characters like underscores and dollar signs. So be cautious of that. Also, don't exceed 100,000 items because the sync really slows down. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, give me a shout. Thanks a lot.